In this video, you'll learn how to create a WooCommerce website on WordPress. By following these steps, you will set up an e-commerce platform tailored to your needs. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com homepage. Once you are there, look for the option labeled Sites in the main navigation menu. Clicking this will direct you to the site's dashboard where you can manage your existing sites or create a new one. Next, locate and select the button that says Create with AI. This option will initiate the process of building your new website using artificial intelligence tools provided by WordPress. After clicking, the system will start preparing the necessary resources for your site. After that, a new screen will appear prompting you to click on Laying the Foundations. This step is crucial as it helps establish the basic structure of your WooCommerce website. You may see a loading indicator while the AI processes your request. Wait for the AI to load and complete the setup process. A message will confirm that the system is making your website unique. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the site is being prepared before you proceed. Type in the phrase Create a WooCommerce website on WordPress into the designated input field. This action specifies the type of website you want to create. After you enter the text, ensure that it is correct before moving to the next step. Click on the Enter button to submit your input. This will take you to the next phase of the website creation process. You should see a message indicating that WordPress.com can create a WooCommerce website. Now, type in the option that is presented to you. This selection will help the AI further customize your WooCommerce website based on your preferences. Confirm that you have entered the correct choice before proceeding. Once your typing is complete, click on Enter again. This submits your choice and continues the setup process. A prompt may appear confirming that your selection has been recognized. Next, you'll see a message asking for your website's title. This title will be displayed in the Browser tab. Take a moment to think about an appropriate name for your site. Type in the desired name of your site in the provided field. This name is essential for branding and recognition. Make sure to double check for any typos before you continue. After entering the site name, click on Enter to confirm your choice. This action will lead you to the next prompt regarding your site's tagline or description. You will now see a prompt asking for a short tagline or description. This text will appear in search results and social media previews, providing insight into what your site offers. Type in a concise tagline that summarizes your site's purpose. This tagline plays a significant role in attracting visitors. Ensure clarity and relevance in your description before moving forward. Click on Enter to submit your tagline. This will proceed to the next step of the site creation process, where you will finalize your settings. Select the option labeled Create My Site. This is the crucial step where you confirm that you are ready to finalize the setup of your WooCommerce website. A confirmation message will appear indicating that your site is being created. Next, click on the prompt that says, Please wait. Your site is brewing. This step indicates that the system is currently processing your request to create the site. You will need to wait for the system to generate your WooCommerce website. A loading screen may appear, and this process can take some time depending on server load and your internet connection. Finally, be patient as the site generation might take a while. During this time, avoid refreshing the page to ensure a smooth setup. Once the process is complete, you will receive a notification confirming that your WooCommerce website is ready for use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.